The United States of America and its flag, a story of struggle and symbolism. The history of the United States is a dynamic tale of revolution, unity, and identity, and few symbols reflect this better than the American flag. Born in rebellion, and raised through the trials of nationhood, the U.S. flag is more than just stars and stripes. It's a story stitched into fabric. That's the original 13-star flag, adopted in 1777 during the Revolutionary War, represented the first colonies that broke free from British rule. Legend credits Betsy Ross with sewing the first flag, though historians debate this. Still, what is certain is the flag's early purpose, a bold statement of independence. Over the years, as the country expanded westward and added new states, stars were added, one for each new member of the Union, while the 13 stripes remained as a tribute to the founding colonies. The Civil War tested the meaning of the flag. For the North, it stood for unity and freedom. For the South, rejecting it meant fighting for a separate identity. After the war, the flag endured, becoming a symbol of national healing. In the 20th century, as the U.S. emerged as a global power through 2 world wars, the flag came to represent democracy and liberty on a global scale. Perhaps the most iconic moment came in 1969, when astronauts planted the American flag on the moon, an image that burned into the collective memory of the world, symbolizing not just national pride but human achievement. Today, the flag continues to evoke strong feelings, from patriotism to protest. With its 50 stars and 13 stripes, it reminds Americans of their complex history marked by struggle, resilience, and an ongoing journey toward a more perfect union. If you found this journey through history inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories that dive deep into the symbols that shape our world. Until next time, keep exploring, because history is still being made.